Hi friends, it's your boy Joey. We are back on the Pixel 3a because the back camera on this baby is currently broken. So, updates. We got the brake light, left turn light working on there. We are pretty sure, let's see, can we see it in here? This box here for the trailer, or not trailer, the flatbed wiring is broken, and if we go to this junction box here, it needs to be done better. That thing works fine. I don't like the layout on it. I want to build something better, but it was cheap. It's helping out right now. We don't get all the lights to the end of the harness there. We did find the 12 volt constant power wire was broken. One of them's rubbed through a little bit, but it should still be working. But we also found a whole extra harness in there and was able to pull that out. You can see that there. I might try and repurpose it for the plug that will go up in here. But for now, the truck, I'm gonna have to buy a whole new harness that goes from the front to the back, and a harness just for the flatbed itself. And then the lighting should be back to normal on here. I want to replace all the lights and everything, but that's a project for another day. That'll be a little expensive. Updates on the trailer. Got it back from Alex. That light was backed into again, looking a little more sad. So this one was backed into and the thing was broken off, but the worst part, you see the board there? And if you look, you can tell the tree's not straight no more. And if you look, you can see the leaf spring hanger poking through there. This trailer may finally be done for. But we're off to the backyard for some good news. My boy Grant, Mr. Yee Yee, bought a house. It's kind of really far from here, about an hour drive with the big truck. That is a pretty expensive drive. So right now the plan is go out there once or twice a month, and this baby here is gonna get moved out there for sure. We're gonna get this running for next year. It's hopefully going to be the group project to take to the dunes that we can beat on, and if it breaks, we go out there with the flatbed, drag it out, put it on the trailer, bring it home and fix it. And we're thinking about moving the Wagoneer out there because he's got property, and then it'll give us two projects to work on. It'll give me motivation when I go out there. Not when I go out there, but when I'm there. Even if we're just standing around talking, I can sit there and do things to the Jeep while Grant's drinking beer, Nick and I and everyone is just talking. But next time we go out there, I didn't do it this time because this phone is broken. That's why I didn't film the flatbed stuff. But we're gonna do an intro video of Nick, who is currently nicknamed Wish.com. We'll explain that. And Grant, who is Mr. Yee Yee in the group chat, and we'll explain all that. Everybody's favorite boy. Trying to look at getting those stickers produced. I started looking at websites and then looking at reviews, and I just got overwhelmed and gave up. But we do have the final sticker for the Mikey sleeping on a blanket, and my hair feels wild right now. Yeah, we went silver. I'm trying to go platinum blonde, I think. My one friend really wanted me to try it, been asking me for years, so I was like, yeah, I got a friend who can do it for me, so let's try it. But I am fairly allergic to bleach, and she was like, your scalp is really not happy, so we're not going to do it today. Let me see what colors I got, and she's like, let's try silver. That'll fade into kind of a platinum-y kind of color, and come back in about a month and we'll do some more bleaching. And she's really good, knows what she's doing. My hair isn't all messed up from bleach like if I would have done it. He's been acting a little weird, but yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said it in one of the videos, but his brother's got leukemia, so he won't be around anymore, and he is getting tested on Tuesday. So we'll find out about him. He's been acting a little weird. No, don't climb up, mate, that's gonna hurt. Like, he'll go in the camper, but he doesn't want to be on the floor. It's either in the bedroom area, on the computer table, or on the couch. And I don't understand why. He's fine standing out here, any surface. Like, the computer table's hard. I don't know. That part confuses me. And I'm debating about the camper. Do I want to cut it? Do I want to save it? There's just so many options. So many things going on in my head. I think for current season, because I don't think I'm going to take it out in the winter. Just don't have the money. Or I could have money. Hard. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the original move I was thinking, putting the computer desk in the back, moving the fridge, get the kitchen set up by the bedroom area, and get that stuff set up, built, so when I do the cut, the kitchen is ready for me. And then I just have to figure out how I'm going to do the computer station. But yeah, look at this. Like, he goes up and then he just sits in the doorway. You gotta go. You gotta keep going, Mike. Get up there. Anyways, it's Sunday. I got some grocery shopping to do. Gonna return some soda cans. Clothes are drying right now. I been slacking on my chores, so yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff done, get home, edit this video. I don't know what my hair looks like. You guys know I don't really care about that. But anyways, get that all done. Yeah. Stay groovy. Peace out.